Go to waves. I want you and your beautiful soul. Yeah. I know that you are something special, and to you I'll be always faithful, and I want to be what you always needed. Then I hope you see the heart in me, 'cause I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. You're the one I want to chase. You're the one I want to hold. Now let another minute go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. Yeah. You beautiful soul. Ooh, yeah, yeah. And you might need time to think it over, but I'm just fine moving forward, and I'll ease your mind. If you give me the chance, I will never make you cry. Come on, let's try, 'cause I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. You're the one I want to chase. You're the one I want to hold. Now I'll let another minute go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. Yeah. Thank you. You guys have any questions? Any questions? Yeah, right here. My favorite part about being on tour? Probably just getting to travel with all of these guys. This is some of my band, by the way. This is Matt on guitar, Phil on background vocals, and my man Nando on bass guitar. I think, you know, this traveling with this group in particular has been really special, and it's like, you know, even in 5 weeks you build sort of a lifetime of memories in that short amount of time, because you're pretty much stuck together on a bus, you know, most of the day. So it's a good thing we all really like each other. But you know, I think, you know, we, like last night actually, we had a big end of the tour wrap party at my house, and so everybody came over and we cooked and we had drinks, and it was like a really, just a good way to end the tour, you know. I think that's probably one of the most special parts about touring. Yeah, in the back. Yeah, you with the hand. I did it. We just got in actually like a couple hours ago. I actually drove here myself. This is actually the only stop on the tour that I actually drove. Feels like a lifetime that I have driven a car, because we're always on a bus. So I didn't get a chance to go on any of the, but I've been to Disneyland so many times. This, you know, is the happiest place on earth, right? In the back? My biggest inspiration for this album, I think for me, you know, I really just wanted to make a record that was a reflection of what I grew up listening to as a kid. And I think, you know, some of the artists that had an impact on me were people like Michael Jackson and Prince and Stevie Wonder. And I grew up listening to soul music, Al Green. For me, you know, it was just, this was an important record for me to make, and I had been meaning to make it for a while and never had the opportunity to, so nor was I musically ready, I think. So that was my biggest motivation, I think, you know, just making this, because it was such a big goal of mine to do an album like this. Yeah, right here.